Look at this today. Absolutely beautiful morning. Not a cloud in the sky. And it's quite warm for the end of September. I just need to have a few birds flying around just to top it off. Morning. Well, it's absolutely beautiful, but there's nothing happening, which is a real shame. The conditions are just perfect. Be nice to see the hobby today. I know I keep going on about it, but I just haven't got a shot of it yet. So far this morning, I've spent probably about 40 minutes to an hour on the bridge, the canal bridge, trying to get a shot of a nuthatch in flight. I haven't really got one. I've got a couple of shots this morning, but I don't know how sharp they are until I have a look at home, back on the computer. But I did get a couple of nice shots of a nuthatch in a tree, on a branch, I think. I think they look quite nice. Nothing else so far. There's not really a lot going on. There's quite a lot of birds about, but nothing really happening. So I'm going to kind of hang around for another, what, I don't know, 40 minutes or so. And then I'm going to head back. I have got quite a lot of work to do, quite a lot of stuff to do at home today, painting and that, but whether I actually do or not, I don't know. So we'll crack on, and hopefully I'll get some good shots today, being as the weather's really nice. Well, not much going on at all. Not a lot flying about, really. In fact, close next to nothing. I've took a few of some lapwings. I don't know if they're any good. A couple of some coots. And that's about it. Not really much more to photograph. I am going to head back. It's a short visit today, just because I've got a lot to do. Well, a lot I want to do. I've got to go to B&M, get some bird food for the garden, get some paint for my son's room, and take the dog for a walk. And I might even start painting my son's room, but I hate painting. So I'm going to have a slow walk back. It's going to be a slow, real short video this week, mainly just showing you the photos I've got. I don't know if anyone's also noticed that I've actually bought myself a new lens coat for my 200 to 600mm lens. I've been asked before where I get it from, where I got my last one from, and it's from a company called Outdoor Photography, and they do really cheap stuff on there. And a lens coat from Lens Coat, I think they're about 90 odd quid, something like that. £40 from Outdoor Photography, where I bought my last one from. And the reason I bought one is just so I can give the other one a wash, and it's just started to lose a little bit of elasticity in some of the places. So I thought maybe with a wash it might shrink back down again. But for 2 years, and for 40 quid, I can't really moan. Heron coming towards me, I think. No, he stopped short. So a short video this week. I'll just basically show the photos that I've took. And that'll be it, really. I've actually just put my 1.4 Teleconverter on because it's such a nice day. Might be able to get a little bit of reach. And that's it. So a slow walk back, and hopefully I'll get a few more shots. I've had a bit of luck. Walking back after I just last spoke to you, I saw a great white egret. I was trying to creep up on it down the corner here so I could get like a good shot at it, but it kind of, I think it seen me and it flew off over the lake. But as it did, it spooked another one, so there was two. I think I got a couple of shots. Would have been nice if it was kind of facing towards me a bit more, but I haven't got many shots of great white egrets. And then I thought, well, that'll do for today. I've got a good shot. And then as I did, I looked up and there was a hobby. How many weeks have I been coming here trying to get a photo of a hobby? But I was kind of in a bit of a shock and a bit like, oh my God, quick, quick, quick. So I basically just aimed and fired. I don't know what any of them are like, if they're going to be sharp enough, but it was kind of getting chased off by, I think it was a lapwing, I think. So I don't know how good they'll be, but I've had a quick look and I think I'll get at least one decent one out of it. So that's a bit of a result. I'm a bit reluctant to go now in case he comes back. I might give it half hour and then I'll head back. That's fair, isn't it? So that's me done then, folks. I think I did better than I thought. Thanks for watching. Until next time.